Today's our topic is simplifying rational expressions. Have a look at the question. Simplify the rational expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x squared minus 9. To simplify this expression, we have to factorize numerator and we have to factorize the denominator. We will factorize the numerator first. The numerator is x squared plus 5x plus 6. As you studied before, when we factorize this expression, we will get x plus one number and x plus another number. These two numbers will be like this. When we multiply these two numbers, we should get 6. When we add these two numbers, we should get 5. So 6 is the product of two numbers and 5 is the product. 5 is the sum of the same numbers. Here, the numbers, let's try. If I take 1 and 6, I will get 1 times 6 is equal to 6. But when I add 1 and 6, I get the answer 7. But here we need 5. So this answer is wrong. Let me try with another numbers. 2 times 3 equal to 6. Let me add this. 2 and 3 equal to 5. So we need 5. This answer is correct. So the numbers are 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Here we got the answer x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. X squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x squared minus 9. Here for the first one I got the answer x plus 2 times x plus 3. Now we need to find the factors of x squared minus 9. X squared minus 9. We know that 9 means it is 3 squared or 3 to the power 2. In this case, as you studied before, the factors will be x plus 3 and x minus 3. So here we got the answer for x squared minus 9, which is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now look at the numerator and denominator. We can find the common factors here or common term x plus 3 and x plus 3. So let's cancel this. What is the x plus 2 as numerator and x minus 3 as the denominator? This is our answer. This is the simplified expression. Now look at another example. Simplify the rational expression 5x squared minus 10x divided by x squared plus 4x minus 12. As I told you before, we have to factorize the numerator and denominator separately. So let's do the factorization of numerator. 5x squared minus 10x. As you know, 5x squared means 5 times x times x minus 10x means 5 times 2 times x. Here we have to take the common factor. What is common in the first term? You can see, first and second term, you can see here 5, 5. That means 5 is common. Again, look at the variable. You can find x. Here also you can find x. So 5 and x is common in both the terms. I will take 5x outside and I will put a bracket. What is left here? X minus 2. So this one is the factors of numerator. 5x times x minus 2. Take the denominator, x squared plus 4x minus 12. As you studied before, here you will get answer x plus 1 number and x plus another number. We have to find the number. This number, when we multiply, we should get negative 12 and the same numbers. Not that, same numbers. When we add, we should get 4. So let's see the factors of 12. Actually it is negative 12. That means one number is negative and another one is positive. Let's try. 1 and 12 is 12. As I told you, one number should be negative. 1 times negative 12, negative 12. When I add 1 and negative 12, I get the answer negative 11. But here I need 4. That means this is not the correct answer. Let me try with another. 4 and 3. One number, as I told you, one number negative. Let me take 3 as negative. I will get the answer negative 12. But when I add 4 and negative 3, I get the answer 1. But here I need 4. So we can ignore this also. Another one, 6 and 2. 6 and 2, 6 times 2 is 12. As I told you, one number should be negative. I am giving 6 as negative. So negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. But when I add negative 6 plus 2, I get negative 4. Here our answer is 4, not negative 2, negative 4. That means I need to change the sign. Here 6 and negative 2, 6 plus negative 2. The answer is positive 4. That means the numbers are 6 and negative 2. So x plus 6 and x plus negative 2. That means x minus 2. The factors are x plus 6 and x minus 2. Here x plus 6 and x minus 2. Now look at numerator and denominator. You can see there is an x minus 2 here also x minus 2. They are all denominator part. So we can cancel this x minus 2. What is left? 5x divided by x plus 6. This is the simplified expression.